So I won't go to any other mall in Cebu. There is only one mall I will go to, and that is Astra Lifestyle Center. For all our groups, and just to share with you, yes, it's true, we've been quite selective in putting together a roster of tenants. More importantly, it's relationships we have with these tenants. Also, some of the owners of these establishments are good friends, so we care about them and the success of our businesses. So that alone, our family is also invested. So, of course, my wife, sister-in-law, sisters are running two boutiques here. So we're very accountable to the success of our tenants and this mall. What else? I want to explain siguro that the design. Are you a bit surprised that it's quite nice? Surprising, right? Me too. I'm quite surprised. Now, we really invested a lot here. Please don't forget this is a proudly Cebuano-led and inspired project. So we try to bring in the warmth of Cebu here, and to get a little inspiration, you have the stars. As we showcase the warmth of Cebu, there will be some waterfalls. I think there's a water feature. Of course, you already have a captured market. Within Astra, you have an international hotel, Radisson Red, that's also soft opening in December, but with a full opening this early part of next year. So Radisson Red will be the first Radisson Red in the country. A trendy, so you have a mix of foreigners and local businessmen. As you know, CLI is the leader in residential development in the entire Vismin. So we have 2 fully sold residential towers here, and you have over 20,000 square meter of offices. So within Astra alone, there's a lot of captured market. Of course, we have close to, can't recall whether it was 800 or 900 parking slots. So for our tenants, we're gonna take very good care of you, no? And my 4 children, I know where to buy their groceries, to have their haircut, to have their gym. I think my daughter likes luxury shopping. There's some